we believe there's really an opportunity for for what we call a new era of fulfillment, which is really a combination of automation as well as optimized manual processes. Uh, on the automation front, like the MFC, automated goods to persons technology, I see really four main things that can bring to bear. First, and the obvious thing is speed, right? You can literally order, you can pick orders in minutes. A typical grocery order, which is like 40 to 50 items. We could, the fabric solution can do that in 5 minutes. Obviously, you get the labor arbitrage, the efficiency of automation. Robots don't get tired. They don't have to take lunch breaks and things like that. Another key thing that a lot of people don't think about is accuracy, right? So our system always knows with 100% accuracy what item is in what tote and exactly where it is. And that's because it's all within our system, and we don't have customers or employees in the aisles, taking things off the shelves, right? So we always know what's in the inventory, and so you literally get, total accuracy on your orders. If it shows up, if the e-commerce app says you have it, and it winds up in your order tote. And the other thing that I think a lot of people don't think about is particularly, well, we probably think about it now with COVID if you've been in the grocery store lately. It minimizes people in the aisles, right? So it preserves that customer experience. That interestingly, that's the one big advantage that retailers in general and grocers specifically that they have over Amazon, right? They have their own stores, right? So this is a great way to preserve the customer experience that most people expect. So with that, Dan, I will turn it over to you to talk about the other half of the equation, which is the optimized manual process.
Right. So so everybody should be getting the understanding here that it is obviously very advantageous to have the vast majority of your products being fulfilled in a micro-fulfillment robotics solution like what Bobby was talking about with fabric. Because obviously all of those things are outstanding, the timing, the speed, the accuracy. But you get to a point where I guess it may not be totally practical to have 100% of your items. In a typical grocery store, you've got somewhere in the range of, depending on the size of the store, between 15,000 and even some cases more products that you're offering to customers. Many of them are considered low velocity or perhaps not, as easy to put into a robotic module as others. I think of going to the store and buying a mop. Not sure that you're going to want to put that into the module. I guess you could, but it may not be practical. You've also got your frozen products and your meat products, and sometimes you have fresh baked products. So the idea being, you look at a combination of utilizing a robotic module with also fulfilling orders from other places in the store, minimizing the in-store, inconvenience, but at the same time, maximizing your throughput with a well-vetted solution of manual or batch or smart manual picking, I'll call it, like we discussed before, which then can marry up those products that are still picked out of the store with the products that are picked in the module in a way that basically allows you to do, I'd say, batch picking to cart like we were describing before, and then putting it all together at the fulfillment side up here with perhaps a put wall solution so that you have an easy way to consolidate and then pack, and then delivering all of that in a way that gives you, again, super high accuracy, super high customer service, but something that can be modular and grow. So idea being, get it to the truck as fast as you can, get it to the customer, and keep that customer really happy. So I think if I can kind of review what we've got here, as kind of a, all told, we've we've presented a concept of crawl, walk, run, a modular additive technology components where you can grow into, the ultimate, having the robotics, and be able to handle your e-com in a way that maintains your highest accuracy and your highest customer service levels, minimizing your labor to support a very highly efficient process, minimizing intrusion into your retail space as much as you possibly can, and again, keeping your customer service levels at very high.